We will show what kind of possibilities in the technology and energy efficiency terms may water and blue energy international give. Air conditioning makes as much as 60% of the total electricity consumption of a building in a season. The panel blue energy provides electricity and money savings of air conditioning units as much as 30%. The panel blue energy increases the efficiency of air conditioning units as much as 30%. It is an essential factor at high temperatures. Process. When air temperatures increases, electricity consumption in air conditioning units increases substantially. In addition to this process, the cooling capacity of air conditioning units decreases. How to control this process? How to make air conditioning units work at high temperatures? Reducing substantially the electricity consumption and producing the same or even larger cooling capacity. How does it work? Whenever hot air gets into contact with water, the air absorbs a part of the water energy and the evaporative cooling process occurs. In evaporative cooling, tiny water particles are converted to gas and energy is exchanged, lowering the temperature. The pre-cooling panel at our cooling systems is engineered to reproduce a perfect result, natural, clean cooling. Result. Saves electricity and money as much as 30%. Increases the efficiency of air conditioning units as much as 30%. Substantially increases the lifetime of all air conditioning units. Reduces CO2 emissions and saves nature.